Hello again, friends. Today I am doing on something new, and honestly, I really like it. That's why I wanted to record this video and share it with you. The installation was very easy and simple. Even on low graphic settings, you can get this look on a normal computer. As you can see, everything looks amazing. Look at the trees, look at the leaves. They look very beautiful. I really enjoy this. That's why I wanted to share it with you. You can see the forest, the water, and the environment. Everything looks clean and realistic. And so installing this is very easy. If you want it, write in the comments. I can make a full tutorial video and explain everything step by step without anything complicated. I also want to use this for a Spark challenge and for other videos. Honestly, this is very pleasing to the eyes. I really like it a lot. So, guys, thank you for watching. Please share your through in the comments. Thank you so much.